We've decided to come down to the beach today, and I have needed to do an update video for a while. Water here is very clear. Yeah, sorry to everyone who has waited for an update video. I know I haven't done one in a while. It's coming up on 2 months since we got the news. Yeah, I just sort of, to be honest, I haven't really wanted to talk about it too much. I just kind of wanted to make the most of it, which we've done a lot. We've traveled to Adelaide. I've had some family come down here. That's weird. There is a fish that's just, I don't know if you can see it. He's just hanging about. Or he's dead. I don't know. Anyway. So yeah, done a lot of small things together, done a lot of big things together. I've recorded most of it, so I will be making a video of it. But yeah. She's doing well, considering. I mean, the vets did say that we wouldn't notice any change really in her until the same thing happened as last time, where it shuts one of her organs down, or it makes it rupture. Blayre, she has seen another dog. We're not going up there, Blayre. Come on. You'll probably eat him or her. We won't know until sort of the day it happens, which is ultimately a good thing, because I don't have to worry about it being in pain and stuff like that. Although she did have a really weird day a few days ago, where we brought her down to the beach. Oh, you've gotten yourself tangled up, Blayre. Yeah. You're gonna splush on me, aren't you? There we go, that's better. Yeah, we had a day where I brought her down to the beach and she just laid down. And she's never done that before. Normally she wants to get in the water and splash like that. But yeah, the other day she just didn't. She just, no matter what we did, she just wanted to lay there, and it was real worrying. And it was, my mum was actually down, and it was the first day that she was down. And I think that, I mean, it obviously scared her to just come and see Blayre in the worst way, you know, which I get. I understand how that would be a very big concern. But yeah, she's obviously doing a lot better now. Although one of the symptoms that we knew that we'd get is she wouldn't be eating, which at the moment we're not sure whether it's an issue or just her being a little bit of a princess, but she isn't eating anything unless we hand feed it to her. So literally there'll be a bowl of rice and chicken and stuff like that. We'll literally have to pick it up and hand it to her, and then she'll eat it. It's real odd. She's never done it before. To be honest, I do not think it is anything to do with her being sick. I think it is just her being a little bit of a princess. I am trying to sort out things for when she dies, like looking at cremation services and stuff like that. Which again, it's just at the moment, it's really expensive. And it's really difficult and stuff like that. Look, come here. There you go. I have got her on, you know, alternative medications, but you know, I'm not relying on them at all. It's just sort of, I don't know, if I get these medications and give them to her and it makes her live even just an extra day, that'll be alright. Be worth it at least. But I mean, considering they said she would have 1 to 3 months left and she's at the nearly the 2-month point. Oops. That's good. You know, I'm glad that and you know, she's happy and stuff like that, which is obviously the main thing. But yeah, apart from that, I will, I suppose, update when there's an update, or when I think it's been a while since my last update. I will be posting the videos later though as well. Like I said, we went all the way to Adelaide and came all the way back, obviously. We've had family come down. We've done prints, like paw prints and stuff like that, which we're going to do more in the next couple of days. What else? We've ordered some stuff to do other videos, but of course waiting for it to get here is worrying. I really want it to get here in time. Ooh. You go a bit tangled up. I'm really just letting her guide me around at the moment. I'm just following wherever she walks. Which is weird, because normally she just walks straight out, but I think the water's a bit deeper for her today. Oh. Blayre. Is that a stingray? Kind of cool. We'll just hang out here. You have a fly on your back, Blayre. Although, by the looks of it, that's not our biggest worry. What's up? Yeah, I've seen. What a nice kid to let me know. Oh yeah, there it is. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. She does not want to leave the water. Blayre. No, we can't. Blayre, come on. Blayre, Blayre, come on. She's like pulling towards the water. She's like, no, I'm not going yet. No. Oh. You'll walk along the water. Okay. We can do this. Oh, that is into the water, Blayre. 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 Come back. Blayre, come here. Come on. Good girl. Come on.